The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hi, thank you so much for attending the webinar today on single premium life. I so greatly appreciate each and every one of you taking time out of your schedule on this Friday to listen to how important it is and the ease of writing and placing single premium life. My name is Sandy Vicanti. I am the Supervisor of Producer Services here for IAMS. I'm going to go through a few of our slides first before we get into the meat, so to speak, of single premium life and how it can benefit both you and your clients. So here at IAMS, we just so firmly believe in not just offering an opportunity for you to submit your business with us, but to help you in a complete circle with your business as an agent. And one of the many ways we do that is with the Referred Producer Program. So when you refer an agent over to us and that agent gets contracted with us, we send you a $50 check just to say thank you. When that agent after that $50, when that agent places business with us, we will pay you 20 basis points on each piece of business that agent writes thereafter. That doesn't come out of their commission. It does not come out of your commission. That is just a way that IAMS says thank you for your trust in referring that agent to us. So again, as long as that agent places business with us, you will always receive 20 basis points on that piece of placed business. What we also do for you is we put monies in an account called a marketing reimbursement account. And we put $200 for every $100,000 of placed premium. And what you can do with that money is pay for any business expenses. So submit an invoice, whether it's for a seminar, business cards, invitations, anything like that. And we will go ahead and send out a check for up to 50% of that invoice, as long as you have that monies in your account. And again, that's $100,000 of placed premium, whether that's life, annuity, MedSup, long-term care, or a combination thereof. We offer all of our brand new agents an additional incentive. So for in your first 6 months when you're a brand new agent here at IAMS, if you place $100,000 in premium, and again, that is life, annuity, MedSup, long-term care, combination thereof, you can choose a $750 cash bonus in addition to your commissions that you've earned, or a 2-year producer website that's paid for. If you think you're going to place $300,000 in business in your first 6 months, you get your choice of a $1,500 gift card, a social security program and a 3,000-piece mailing, or a $2,000 marketing reimbursement. So that marketing reimbursement account that we just talked about, we will put $2,000 in that for you. If you think that you'd like to hold off on that because you know you're going to place $500,000 in business in your first 6 months, we will offer you a 4,000-piece mailing and seminar coaching with a top producer of ours, Dave Pimper, a 5,000-piece mailing and seminar coaching with a top producer of ours, Matt Gill, or my favorite, a Ritz-Carlton travel rewards package. So you get to actually plan your own travel package. It's my absolute favorite. So as you can see, we really want to show you how much we appreciate you choosing IAMS when there's so many other IMOs to choose from. We just want to say thank you so much, and here's just another way for us to show you our gratitude. We also have an amazing back office support. So when you call up and have questions, we help you with case design. So there's absolute assistance with that, whether it's questions on underwriting, running quotes, finding out the best carrier. We have forms right there on our website that we're able to just send off to you. Quotes, whether it's on the life or annuity side. We also follow your cases from submission to commission. So as soon as that application hits our door, whether it's life or annuity, we scrub those applications, make sure we're not missing anything, order exam and labs if necessary that same day, and get them off to the carrier this same day. We follow up every 3 days in underwriting to make sure that the case is staying on course all the way to the point where you get paid. So we really are involved with your cases as much as you want us to be, or as little as you'd like for us to be. You tell us what your comfort level is, but we do have great back office support. We also have an amazing creative marketing team, and what that team offers is several opportunities for you and your business. Whether you need postcards, letters, flyers, anything professionally written, we can assist you with that. We can customize that. If you have business cards that are a little stale or you don't and you need help creating a business card with a logo design, any type of brochures or advertising, a website that may need a facelift, or you don't have a website, we can create one and manage one for you. Same with social media, with Facebook advertising and consulting, online newsletters, email marketing. We can assist you with all of that. Just tell us what you're interested in or what your vision is, and our creative team is just top of the line, and they will be more than happy to help you with that. Our IAMS website, if you've not been to it yet, I just so strongly suggest you do. Very simple registration. Is your first and last name, your email address, and you come up with a password. That website is www.iamsinc.com. And on that website, that's where we go to run our quotes, whether it's term or UL quotes. It's where we pull our forms as well. Has all of the current industry links and news. Our annuity and long-term care grids, so you can see what are the top fixed interest rates right now, or if you need to run a quote, that is all there for you. It is an amazing tool that you can use and utilize 24/7. So it shows all the different products and training. That's where you're going to know about our webinars and find our monthly webinar calendar as well. So can't strongly suggest enough that you take a look at our website. If you need assistance with that, I will be more than happy to help you register. We have, due to the DOL ruling, IAMS Wealth Management now. So I am going to stick a poll question out there. By answering yes, you're just asking for more information. So with this DOL ruling and all the different changes and delays, we thought it would be great to come up with IAMS Wealth Management. And why we did that is we wanted to be, again, full circle with our agents. We wanted you to be able to increase your revenue with managed money fees. Most advisors that we have seen and deal with do see an increase in fixed revenue as well. We also wanted to improve your client retention. So now you're not just limited to offering the fixed or indexed annuities or the life. You are viewed differently by your clients. As an advisor, you're now a fiduciary. So whatever questions you have in regards to this, whatever questions you have for the DOL ruling, how it may affect you, how IAMS can assist you or answer those questions, check yes for the poll question. We will have Mike Hansen or Charles Hiring give you a call and get those answered for you. So I'm going to leave that open just for a few seconds longer. Again, answering yes isn't signing up for anything. It's just strictly saying, hey, I have some additional questions, or can you give me more information in regards to this? So we will get that closed out. We also have, which we're so proud of, I'll do another poll question. Again, answering yes is just saying you'd like additional information. It's our Life and Annuity Academy. This is nationally industry recognized. We had close to 1,000 agents register for our last academy. We choose between 35 and 40 from across the United States. This is an all expense paid trip. We cover airfare, lodging, food, any type of travel. We go over a 2-day training that includes different sales ideas and strategies from top producers. We try to unravel indexed annuities and what is an income rider, when is it a great time to use an income rider, all the different threats and trends to your industry, our industry. Again, how that DOL ruling is going to affect the industry and how it will affect you. We talk to top producers and find out how are they overcoming client objections. What are they doing? Turnkey seminar systems, everything from having a seminar in a library with cookies and coffee to your more elaborate seminar systems with your sit-down dinners. What would best serve you and your clients? Go over wealth transfer, single premium life, private financing. It is just such an amazing opportunity to attend this. I cannot stress enough to check yes if you're wanting additional information. We will have another academy early next year, probably around March. So again, over 1,000 agents registered. We take between 35 and 40. Check yes. We'll get you out some information, find out if this is a good fit for you. We also reward our agents with a great summit. So not only are you making great commission, getting great service, you're making different trips with the carriers you're riding with. We're also offering our own trip. It's a Boulders Marketing Summit, Boulders Resort and Spa. It's ranked best hotel in Arizona by Travel and Leisure and best golf resort in the Southwest by Golf Digest. It is for you and a guest. It is February 25th through the 28th in gorgeous Scottsdale, Arizona. It's 4 days, 3 nights, and it is a great, again, social and educational event. Only way you're going to get there is to start writing and placing business with IMES. So I can't encourage you enough, if you're not already writing with us, to please get contracted, start placing some business so we can see you at this great trip. So let's go over single premium life underwriting. Try to clear up any questions that you may have, any objections or resistance, because it is an amazing opportunity, a very simple opportunity, more simpler than what I believe that agents may think. So with what we're going to go over today is why agents choose not to sell it, why it is so popular, and who exactly is a prospect. We'll go over just the general information on single premium life and what it has to offer, as well as the underwriting guidelines and examples, declined cases, and how that we can turn those declined cases into approved cases. Who exactly are the carriers for single premium life, and why you should be selling single premium life here at IMES. So I think the first question is why agents choose not to sell it. A lot of the times is because there's a belief that the client has to die to benefit, and that is just absolutely not the case. They have such great accelerated death benefits, those nursing care, long-term care benefits that are built in. So if your client doesn't need a death benefit, utilize those nursing care, home health care benefits. It's not an additional rider. It's built into the policy. It's the same underwriting. Let them utilize that. If they'd like to wait until interest rates kind of settle down, or they want to know what interest rates are going to do, great opportunity to put your money there and utilize the return of premium feature, so they can take their money out literally at any time, minus any withdrawals, of course. So you get 2 sales. Put the money in single premium life, wait till the interest rates figure out what they're doing, take the money out and then move it to an annuity. Agents are concerned and clients are concerned that underwriting will take too long or that the client won't qualify. We have carriers that offer a decision on the phone. It's an immediate decision on the phone. There's never an exam or lab. We have other carriers that within 48 hours you have a decision. So the turnaround time is very quick. Again, with single premium life, never ever are we going to ask your clients for exam or labs. Agents feel like they have to learn something new, and really you don't. A single premium life kind of mimics an annuity. You have withdrawals just like an annuity. So annuities, you have a 10% withdrawal. On single premium life, we have carriers that offer you a 10% withdrawal. Annuities, you get bonus. For the clients, a single premium life, we have products that offer the clients bonuses. There's indexed products with single premium life. So it really does mimic an annuity, and a lot of times takes the same time, if not quicker, than an annuity. There's no suitability with single premium life unless you're using qualified funds. And then clients and agents fail to see the value in the product. It is such a versatile product. This product, if you're looking for death benefit or wealth transfer, an amazing product to do that. If you don't care about death benefit and you're really concerned about nursing care, home health care benefits, this product has it. It's automatically built in. If you're looking to, again, house your money and earn a great interest rate, 3% guaranteed interest rate. That is on the guaranteed side. And then, of course, you have the non-guaranteed side. That's averaging about 4.2% over the last 12 years. So again, great opportunity, very versatile product. The reason it's so popular is, again, many of the reasons I just spoke about. However, it's also extremely popular because it is a great, easy way for wealth transfer. It goes income tax free, that death benefit does, to the beneficiaries. Again, it provides nursing care and home health care benefits tax-free because it's based on the death benefit. So the clients are pulling those nursing care, home health care benefits strictly off the death benefit, of course, per IRS guidelines. There is no additional out-of-pocket premiums. It truly is a single pay. You make one premium and it's guaranteed death benefit to age 100 or age 120. Absolutely no exams or labs. Some carriers, we have several actually, that pay up to 15% commission. So if your client's stepping in $100,000 into the policy, you're getting 15% of $100,000. It's a great way. We're not asking for you to stop selling annuities. This is just a great way to supplement your income. If you have a $10,000 dump in that they're putting in, you're getting $1,500 off of $10,000. Again, guaranteed interest rate up to 3%. Great growth for cash, all tax deferred. And we look at it as you're getting new commissions on old annuities. Go back to your annuity book of business. Take a look at who has 10% withdrawals that they're not utilizing for income. Use those. Put that in a single premium life. If they have RMDs that they're not utilizing, put that into a single premium life. So who is a prospect? Again, anyone who has an annuity that's able to take 10% free withdrawals, who are not utilizing it for income. Again, RMDs. If they have cash value in a traditional life policy and they're tired of making premium payments, let's take that money, let's utilize it and make it work better and faster for the client by putting it in single premium life. If they have, which I was around for, if that gives my age out at all, those imploding ULs back in the 80s, where they are just taking all the money out because it was illustrated at 8 or 9%. They're going to have to dump more money in or start making premiums just to keep the policy in force. Before we lose that money, let's take it. Let's put it into a single premium life. Minimum amount is $5,000. So let's do that. Let's take those old policies. people took out when they were first married that have, they're paid up, they have $5, $10, $15,000 just sitting in there. Let's utilize that, move that over. Any person who is declined for long-term care, let's take a look at them. When we look at underwriting, long-term care is underwritten for morbidity and single premium life is underwritten for mortality. So there's a huge difference there. So if your client had a knee replacement and was declined for long-term care, that knee replacement does not decline them for single premium life. And again, if they don't want to spend premium and never use the policy, this is a great opportunity for them to just make a one-time premium payment and then still have accessibility to the policy with those nursing care home health care. Or if their air conditioner goes out and they need to pull funds from that to pay for that, absolute ability to do that. Issue ages are 50 to 85. Some go to age 90. And the premiums vary by carrier. We have one where top carrier, maximum death benefit on the guaranteed side is $750,000. We have others that go up to $1 million. $5,000 minimum single premium. Others are $10,000 for a minimum to put in. And it's either approved or declined. So it starts at a table 4, which is a standard issue, and some go to a table 8. So if you're thinking, gosh, but my client's healthy, this is still, it's not just for people who have medical history. These are for clients who, again, want to utilize their monies for death benefit, for nursing care, home health care benefits. Never an exam or lab. There is a telephone interview. Same questions that are on the telephone interview are on the application. So there's no surprise there. The benefits, there's a return of premium, a bonus of up to 12% depending on the carrier that you are looking at. Again, nursing care, home health care benefits are automatically built in. Most companies have a 5% free withdrawal of the accumulation value. Others have a 10% free withdrawal of the accumulation value. And believe it or not, we can transfer qualified as well as non-qualified funds in single premium life. Underwriting guidelines, again, is a table 4, which is a standard issue, so they'll start at a table 4. Table 8 on some carriers, if they, their health does not meet that table 4 rating. No exam, no labs, immediate decision on the phone. Where standard underwriting can take, 2 weeks, I think, is quick. It can take even, 30 to 60 days. Medical records are requested as needed. This is a streamlined process. So with the carriers, there's very little wiggle room for them to pay for medical records. They get as much information as they can based on prescription history and telephone interview, as well as those medical questions. As we talked about earlier, it's mortality versus morbidity. Again, big difference. Morbidity is based on, for example, a knee replacement or a hip replacement. Mortality is based on health. So whether or not you've had cancer or a heart attack. And getting to that, if you have clients that had cancer 3 years ago, we're able to get approved as long as it's not more than one occurrence. Heart attack 3 years ago, diabetic, insulin controlled, as long as that A1C is under 8, which is a really high A1C for those of you who are familiar with diabetes, but we get those approved. And we'll go over some of the underwriting cases that have gone through this office that we've gotten approved. 5-year minimum for most critical illnesses. There's a 2-year minimum on select carriers. Again, with that, we see anywhere between 2 and 3 years. So we don't want you to walk away from a case because you think, gosh, they're not able to get approved. we'll tell you up front, it's just not going to be a possibility, or yes, absolutely, let's go ahead and get the telephone interview completed and send in an application. The last thing we want to do is, make you or your client angry so you lose a sale by just pushing through a case that will not get approved just for the sake of an application. Again, I cannot stress enough, we'll let you know up front. For the underwriting, these are cases, again, I oversee the single premium life cases for all of IMES. These are actual cases that have gone through us. It's an 83-year-old female that has type 2 diabetes, on blood thinner medication, 2 blood pressure medications, and a cholesterol medication was approved. 78-year-old male with kidney disease and type 2 diabetes on insulin who had gout, approved. 68-year-old female, colon cancer back in 2004, bone loss, edema with high blood pressure, approved. Again, examples of maybe abnormal risks or clients with health history. Heart attack after 2 years, full recovery. Bypass angioplasty after 2 years. Cancer in remission, excuse me, after 2 years. So what that means is once they're done with treatment, that's when the 2 years start. So if they're doing chemo or radiation, as soon as that chemo or radiation stops, 2 years will start from that point on. Parkinson, after 2 years, no treatment. A stroke after 2 years, no treatment. And a pacemaker after 5 years. Again, healthy clients, we can go through, if you're not wanting to go through single premium, we can go through full underwriting with select carriers just for a higher death benefit. Again, declines its morbidity versus mortality. There's a telephone interview, so they'll either be declined on the telephone interview right there when you're with your client, or within 48 hours, or there's just not enough information. There's insufficient information for us to continue. But again, we'll let you know that, and with a lot of carriers, you'll know that right away before you leave the client's house. So who exactly are the carriers for single premium life? Baltimore Life and Equitrust are your top carriers. They lead in the industry. Baltimore Life, again, is one of those carriers that is an immediate decision on the phone. They also go to a table 8. They accept qualified funds through their Generation Legacy. Equitrust, amazing carrier. They offer a return of premium with a 12% bonus and offer 5% free withdrawals. It's a 48-hour turnaround time with them. We also have Lincoln National for the MoneyGuard product, One America, National Western, where you're able to get 10% free withdrawals, as well as Oxford and Sagicor. So as you can see, we have several carriers to choose from. We're not trying to do tunnel vision and just stick your clients or think that all your clients will fit with just one carrier. We will shop it around for you, and we will let you know who we think would be the best, and then also run any additional quotes that you may need. So why should you be selling single premium life? It's to help your clients. It provides those vital nursing care and home health care benefits that seniors are really concerned about. They don't want to take out a long-term care policy because they just don't know if they're going to use it. They don't want to, in their mind, waste those monies on a policy that they may not use. With single premium life, if they don't use the nursing care benefits, then they're leaving a great death benefit to their beneficiaries. They're also reducing future taxes for their beneficiaries. So if you have clients that are very heavy on annuities, let's take some of that money and put it into a single premium life so they can use that death benefit to help offset any additional taxes that they may have to pay once your clients pass. It also helps you through slumps. We hear agents all the time, do you offer leads? Do you offer leads? We go back and say, do you write annuities? And a lot of agents say, yes. Let's go back through your annuity book of business. Those are the best leads that you have. go back and tell them, gosh, I've gone through, I'd like to do a review. There's this opportunity for you to get these nursing care, home health care benefits, or this great death benefit. So go through your annuity book of business. It also helps you find new annuity sales as well, as you're sitting there looking for additional funds and asking them, gosh, do you have any CDs? Do you have money markets? What current annuities do you have right now? So it's a great way to find additional annuity sales, and it helps solidify your clients' relationships. It lets them know that you're not just trying to, sell an annuity. You're looking at their entire portfolio to make sure that they're well-rounded. For you as the agent, great opportunity as well. It pays up to 15% commission. So you're making money on an annuity that was just sitting there. So again, great opportunity for both you and your clients. With IMES, we have been in the business for over 30 years. We lead nationally. We're in the top 3 with a few of our carriers, specifically for single premium life. We will do a very educated case design for you. We lead in the case management of that. We offer a new producer bonus again with that marketing reimbursement. We offer you a single premium life toolkit, and what that is once you're contracted with us, we will send you different flyers and advertising pieces that we can help market and advertise and put your logo on to help get additional single premium life business. We also have a consumer presentation and different, again, marketing pieces. And we have something called the Single Premium Life University. And what that is you will get a video, a 3 to 5 minute video each week for 12 weeks that goes over sales presentations, meeting with clients, going over their objections. So it kind of walks through the process from beginning to end. So let's go over, I'm going to put a poll question out here just asking if you'd like additional information on single premium life, and see what questions we have that we can try to answer here. So if you have a question, please let us know. I'll be happy to get those answered. If you have a client that was declined for long-term care, or you think they can't get insurance because of health, give me a call. We'll be happy to go over that information for you, run some quotes. If you'd like a sample quote, let me know. I'll send you a sample quote. We can go over it on the phone. Again, I handle and oversee all of our single premium life cases for the office. Anyone in the life department, whether it's myself, or Adam or Mark, very well versed in single premium life. We take great pride that we lead in the industry with single premium life. Would love to get you on board with that, find out what we can do to help assist you. So again, any questions, let us know. We'll be happy to get those answered. Everyone will receive a recorded version of this webinar. So that will be sent out later on today, along with my contact information. Greatly appreciate everyone's time. Hope you have a very safe weekend. I will be contacting each of you. In the meantime, if you have questions, please contact me. My name is Sandy Vicanti. Phone number 1-800-255-5055. Thank you.